Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
Justin Clark Nichols pleading guilty to 6 charges, including second-degree murder for the death of 21-year-old Savannah Narati. The investigation shows Nichols was riding a stolen motorcycle when he opened fire on a car carrying Narati in the Midtown area.
It's an unfortunate circumstance that has forever changed our lives and the community's lives with the loss of Savannah. But we do forgive him and what happened. I hope that he takes this opportunity to learn and become a better person.
Now, a Superior Court judge has sentenced Nichols to 20 years for the murder and 5 other counts. According to Mr. Narati, Clark did apologize to the family at his sentencing.
A Tucson man convicted of a deadly road rage shooting will spend the next 20 years in prison. Justin Clark Nichols pleading guilty to 6 charges, including second-degree murder for the death of 21-year-old Savannah Narati. The investigation shows Nichols was riding a stolen motorcycle when he opened fire on a car carrying Narati in the Midtown area. The Superior Court judge has sentenced Nichols to 20 years for the murder and 5 other counts, plus credit for time served.
Prison for killing a Tucson woman in a road rage shooting nearly 2 years ago. This is Justin Nichols. He was in court just hours ago. A judge sentenced him today on charges of second-degree murder, endangerment, and discharging a firearm in the city limits. Now, he pleaded guilty to those charges in the deadly shooting of 21-year-old Savannah Narati. A 13 News reporter, Shelby Slaughter, was at the sentencing. She joins us live now. Shelby, what happened in the courtroom?
Valerie, it was incredibly emotional. Savannah's family has waited nearly 2 years for this day, and her family tells me they're at peace with today's decision. Now, no cameras were allowed in the courtroom. Savannah's parents, grandparents, and little brother all read emotional statements about losing her. Nichols' family was also in court today, making remarks while the family recounted her murder. At one point, Nichols' sister said, quote, "That's not what happened," as Savannah's grandfather spoke. But after the judge handed out the 20-year sentence, which the state had asked for, Savannah's family says they're happy with the result.